Unraveling the mystery of name tape in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a unique and interesting phrase in the English language: name tape. This might sound simple, but it has more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this phrase, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what name tape means and how it's used in different contexts. Name tape refers to a small piece of fabric or material on which a person's name is embroidered or printed. These are often used in uniforms, like those in the military, schools, or certain work environments, to identify the wearer. It's important to note that a name tape is not just any name tag. It's specifically a fabric strip sewn onto clothing. Historically, name tapes have a military origin. They were used to identify soldiers' uniforms. Over time, this concept has been adopted in various other fields like schools, hospitals, and corporate uniforms. The use of a name tape can also signify belonging and unity within a group or organization. In contemporary times, the concept of a name tape has evolved. They are now seen in various fashion statements, personalized items like backpacks, and even in artistic creations. They're not just for identification anymore but also for expression and personalization. Let's look at some examples. 1. The soldiers had their last names embroidered on their name tapes. 2. At the camp, each child had a name tape sewn into their uniform. 3. She created a custom name tape for her denim jacket. These sentences show how name tape can be used in everyday conversation, demonstrating its practicality and versatility. So, that's all about name tape. I hope this video has shed some light on this unique phrase and its uses in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and identity. Name tape is a perfect example of how a simple term can carry a wealth of meaning. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful and informative.